Nowadays, there is a huge demand to generate electricity with alternative energy sources like solar and wind power. We can use solar power in two ways. The first way is on-grid and the other system is off-grid. Off-grid solar system is very helpful during the power cuts. One or two 12-volt 100-watt and 250-watt like solar panels are connected through the charge controller and used to charge a solar battery or a vehicle battery in off-grid solar system. If we use 12-volt DC bulbs and other 12-volt fans etc. in our home, off-grid solar system is very energy effective. Other ways is to convert this DC 12-volt into 220-volt AC using an inverter. In this process of inversion, there will be a considerable power wasting, but we can use it in our normal 220-volt wiring after disconnecting main supplies. But you can't use both solar power and normal grid power in one time with this inverter system unless if we do a separate wiring system. Then I propose you to use separate wiring and to use 12-volt items like bulbs, fans, radios and etc. Then energy wasting is maximum and able to use both solar and grid power in one time. But DC bulbs are very expensive, so my invention was focused on that requirement. Then I used all screw type LED bulbs to make these 12-volt DC bulbs. Let's see how to make it. First, I open the plastic cover in the bulb. Okay. Then we have to remove the inner old LEDs and its circuit. I already removed it. So, next, I brought 12-volt LED lights which is used to decorate three-wheelers. It was about 140 rupees. Next, connect the positive and negative wires correctly and insert it with wiring tape. As you can see, I insulated it with a wiring tape. Now, place this bulb. In this case, if you think it will not work, you can use hot glue. Let me show you how it works. As you can see, it is very bright. In my home, I use 12-volt separate wiring system and I use this bulbs well.